Hello guys, how are you my friends? Today I got one more kit from Zvezda for review. One more from 132 scale and 24 millimeters. Okay, today it's the Soviet machine gun Maxim with crew. Okay, from 1941 to 43. Okay, this is the 6104 kit number. Okay, and it brings 26 parts. Okay, and as you know, part of the Art of Tactic, a great game. Okay, if you guys are on war games, this is very good. So let's open this, and as you can see here, it brings 2 pieces of this. Okay, so you're going to have 2 machine guns instead of 1. Okay, and you can see the normal base, or this if you want to put on a different way. Okay, but you got here the 2 figures, awesome figures. These little kits are very nice from him. Okay, the part of the machine gun, the front here we got one arm, and the lower part of the machine gun. So it's very simple. If you want, you don't need any glue for this. It brings that this flag, okay, to put here, and that is where you mark with a marker the number of this, okay, the company or machine gun. You got, if you got 2, you're going to put 1 and the 2. Okay, so when you are going on the game, it's easy. These kits don't bring the cards, okay, for the game. This is bring the cards, but you can go on the site www.artoftactic.com, okay, and you can download from the website. Okay, is there the cards from this? That is the only thing I don't like on the Zvezda. If you buy this, yeah, I think it's a must to have the card in here. Okay, I think it's not too expensive, guys. So Zvezda put the card on this, and you're going to have more fans. Okay, so it's super easy. Okay, I will do later all these kits. I'm going to build it and going to paint it for you guys to see. So another review. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, guys, as always, just ask on the comments, okay, and I will ask I will answer you. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and we see you on the next video. Bye.